So this is the starting setup. In my case there is a horizontal press bar here. So what I do is put this one over here and then thread it through all of the horizontal MOLLE. We'll start with this one. This one also. Pull it, tighten the bottom. Same here. It speaks for itself. Because the other one is already fitted, this is a bit more difficult. To make it easy, I skip this one now. It doesn't really matter. Push the button, and then to fix it to the bar, you can of course use these D-rings together with. Sorry for that. You can use tie wraps, or I will show you now with a strap. Thread it through. And on this side, Maurice, it's important. If you thread it through, go around the vertical bar and then go back through the D-ring. Because otherwise you will have too much play in the whole setup. And then here the same, you go through the D-ring around, through the D-ring, around the bar, and then close the strap. Pull it tight. This is a little bit too short, so it's very difficult to tighten it, but you know what I mean. This is enough.
Yes.
Finished.